All right, smart money gang. Welcome back to the channel. You already know what it is, man. I'm already starting our week off, man, with all this pressure and all of this, all this vibe energy, right, guys? So you already know what time it is, man. We finna step into these markets and get up on this bag. You feel me? Today is what, man? Technical Tuesday. That's why y'all boys in tune. You feel me? You already know what it is. And guess what? Each and every week, I'm doing a technical Tuesday, man. We about to reanalyze the charts, guys, so we can see what's going on, so we can see our moves, right, that we making into the market, right? So I hope this helped, guys. I hope this helped, man. I hope this helped out a lot, guys. You know, I've been doing technical Tuesdays for like the past few weeks, man. I've been getting a lot of good feedback from it. So, I'm gonna continue to do it, guys. So you already know what to do if you are new here, though. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, guys. We up and we running, right? SMSFXMentors.com. SMSFXMentors.com, guys. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to show you the screen, and then I'm about to probably show you guys a little bit what you've been missing out on. Don't take it out on me. Don't take it personal. I'm just letting you know what you guys been missing on. So I'm gonna share the screen with you boys. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here to our signal group, right? And we're gonna click on our signal group, guys. So boom, we're in the signal group, and I'm about to just show you guys what you guys been missing out on, right? So if you were in the group, guys, if you would have been in the group, you would have got all these signals, right? So what I did was I called signals, right? You see this, boom, I called signals. We got exact entry points, exit points, and all of that, right? Now, if you would see where price is at and price is doing, and I gave updates as well. All these updates, look, TP smashed. All right, TP almost smashed there. And then we go to boom, TP smashed, and then some, TP smashed, right? This is the only one that didn't really kick off. But as you guys know, you guys are missing out on things of this nature, right? So now let's just go to the free class. I know you're probably like, hey, do you guys do something for the free class? As you see, NZD. And then we're going to show you guys when I entered for the NZD. Here go NZD2 update. But we got, let's see, NZD, we got NZD way up here, right? So this is NZD, this is the analysis. And then boom, we got entry points, we got exact entry points, and then boom, we got to see what price did, guys. So as you see, boom, as you see, boom, and as you see, take profit, guys. So you already know, man, you guys are missing out on stuff like that, man. I just don't understand, man. So here go Euro alt. I know we went over this in one of the technical analysis, right? And as you see, boom, when I told you guys, aggressiveness, we would have got in here. Look at where we carried this trade out. And maybe I'll be exiting this trade soon because I'm looking at structure here and price is soon to go down, it seems like. And then we also had, we did the trend for trends on NZD CHF. And I told you guys we had the bullish channel, bear flag. We finally broke that. And then boom, we got price to drop down. Now we got price retracing here, probably another drop down, right? So I may stay into this trade, guys. And then we got GBP. GBP all right here. We had it, not getting past this 86,800 level. Then we had a lower high created here, double tops, whatever you want to call them, needle tops, and a push down to the downside, right back to this 85,800 level, which was a buying area beforehand, right? So that was pretty much it for as far as like what we've been going on over this channel, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go check out this pair here. And basically we're gonna just like mark off, the high for the day, things of that nature, right? So we'll give it, I wanted to do one, yeah, I'm gonna do 1,000 even. Yeah, right up in this area right here. We're gonna do that, make that flat, right? And then we're gonna say, wow, boom. We're gonna drop that here, and then we're gonna go ahead and put us on a resistance level. Go to settings, we'll put this as a sell zone, all right? And then we'll put this as an area of interest, all right? And so This is what we're looking at right here, right? We see price failing to make any higher highs. Price failing to make any higher highs. We're closing in here. Maybe we can take this down to this level right here. So you know, positioning it like this, like so. Short position. We'll probably put our stops back behind this level right here. Right, and then you know 50 pips back, however you want to do it, whatever your risk to reward ratio is, and then we probably could take this down to here for let's see how many whopping pips for 60, 70 pips, guys. We might see a retracement back down to this level right here shortly after this break. But I do still see bullish, right? So I'm gonna say, hey, you know, this is still a bullish, you know, this is still a bullish trend, and maybe what we're hoping for to see is you know, price maybe rejecting this key level right here, because you know the gold is our key level, those are gold zones, and maybe we get a push back up to here before hopefully breaking this level, right, and then a push up to the upside, right. Now where exactly this first place, it shows interest right here, so we would mark this place right here, 62,500 level. So boom, we'll mark this level up here as a zone that price can get to, and we also can mark up this level right here, this which is the 64 flat. So we go here and we go to 64 flat, and then okay, and then you know, hopefully before hitting you know, this level, right? But you know, price can get here, reverse, and then they can go push through this zone, the 6,000 zone, then push through this zone. So what we do is we're waiters. We're not biased to a trade. We don't do that at all. We just make sure we know, you know, where the entry at and where the exit at. Okay. So, you know, this will probably be my trade setup for this pair right here. And then for this pair right here, we got price, all over the place. Obviously, I was doing trend for trend, so I did, you know, I used this for an example. So we'll mark up this 3,400 level. Then we can mark up, let's see, maybe this 64,000 level. No, that's way out of the way. 900 level, maybe the 800 level. Yeah. So yes, sir. So I'll do this 800 level right here. And then, like I say, this is just if you're shooting your shot off of this zone right here. So you know, you guys got to set your trades up, guys. You got to understand that you're not just making up anything. You guys have to set a trade up, wait for the setup, get in off the setup, and make your money. It's not no other way around that part. So you know, we got area of interest here. You know, at the 63,800 level, we got to see how price react to this level. If price want to blow up past this level, then price will. Other than that, maybe we would, you know, hey, short it, right? We'll put price to here, and then our target will be down here, right? Depending on how price act right here, right? We'll take it back down to this level. You know, just simple, right? So we'll put our stops right above here. We got these two levels blocked off. We see, okay, boom, this area of interest. Price might sell off right here, but we have to see how the candles react, because price could break through here, and then we can see a push up to the upside, right? Leaving us with, you know, another take profit around this area, 64,300 area. And then maybe another take profit area around this West Side Killer, the 600 area right here. All right, so boom, we get that going, you know. So, you know, this is how this would look like that. And like I said, I trade off probabilities, guys. So, and I'm a adjuster, so I can't just be biased to one way. I always have to watch and see how the candles are set up, guys. So don't run with this. Don't run off and say, you know, well, he said, you know, this is just my bias, right? And so if price wanted to keep going down to the downside, I would mark off areas of interest right up in here. So maybe this 32,200 area I would mark off, right? And then maybe my next level of interest would be this 63,000 level, right? You know, just probability, guys. Good probability trading. And then so forth and so forth. And then my next entry area would be 62,400. Okay, so simple, man. I keep it so simple. So now my probability in these trades is like, I understand that if I get into this, I might take it down to this level, second take profit. And then maybe, my price might gain support here, or my price might gain support here, or price might gain support way down here, right? We don't know. So we just got to adjust and wait to see what's going on. But this is how I would mark up my charts. And that's how I would mark up my position. If I wanted to get in, I would put my stop above this last high right here. And then I would, marry that all the way down. And so this level, same thing. We just got our area of interest, filled off. So same thing here. I would keep it simple. Settings, boom, right? Sell zone. And then what I would do is, boom, I come here and I'm saying, okay, boom, we had an area of interest right here. And then we got another level of area of interest right here. That's why I wouldn't trade the spread, though. It's too right there. It's too wicked. Everything is literally happening right in this area. And it's not giving you enough breathing space, right? So we had a nice drop or a reversal right here, or a pullback, right? And then we trailing along this area. So what we might get is, as we see this hammer forming up, and then we got to wait to the close of this, close of that. We might see price rejecting this area right here, which it did in the past, and then we might see price shooting up to the upside. So maybe take profit here, take profit here, take profit here, or here, right? And so what my trade would look like is this. Long position, I put my stop back behind here. And that's where your guys be getting it wrong. Y'all think people got like superpowers or they God because they get a trade together or get a trade right. But what you got to understand is that we just taking probability. We just taking nice setups. You feel me? So my stop will go back here, and then I would just get in. Like I would scale down and get a good entry, and then I would take it up, first take profit, second, third. And I wouldn't take these really too serious because they're more like screen doors. But once they break, then I would go profit here or here, right? First, second, right? And that's how I would target it, guys. That's how I would basically set up my trades. And that's just basically basic probability. So you guys can just screenshot, take advantage of all these numbers, screenshot, take advantage of these levels or whatnot. But that is pretty much how I would base my trades, guys. And that's just on a serious note right there. So pretty much we already go over key levels and minor levels so much that I'm not doing that. But another thing what I would do is go to my website. So I will go to SMSFXMENTOR, right? And actually it took me straight to the website. But yeah, I will go to this website over here, man, right? Check out this website, man. Go check out all the free knowledge, the valuable knowledge that you have, guys. On here, I would take advantage of the broker that I use, Freely Daily Money, private mentorship. Listen, go on over there to that free mentorship, sign up, and you're going to get signals too as well, guys. Merch, man, go check out the store we got going. My YouTube channel, of course, Linktree. Free Discord right here. You can go patterns, check out all the patterns, daily analysis, and things of that nature. One-on-one mentorship. You got the FaceTime call, man. We can go on there and get a couple trades in, go live. And then we got the shop Amazon with us. You can come shop Amazon food, Crocs, Nike wear, all of that. You got the OnlyFans, man. Go over there, $29.99. If you already know how to trade, you just want, the extra guidance and signals and things of that nature. You can go over there. You got the green light kids credit, right? The credit builder for your kids. Then you got the self credit builder for yourself, right? Build up your credit, guys. Go ahead over there and use this code, man, and get your credit together. And I think we get like $10 if you do, right? So then you get your free stock, sorry about that, get your free stock, guys, from Robinhood, one of the platforms that I use to invest. And then we got a Facebook group, which is the SMS strategies. Follow me on Instagram for free tips and tricks and things of that nature. Then follow me on Twitter for free tips and tricks. And then LinkedIn, follow me for free tips and tricks. We got the free money right here, which is the Cash app. You click on that, we get a referral code with each other. You know how that go. And then we got the free risk management tool, guys. So go ahead over there and take advantage of that, man. SMSFX mentors. I hope we have a good, steady trading week. And let's get it. Let's go, gang. Y'all know what time it is, man. I'm the first to do it. Let's go.